Hi, I'm Dr. Walter Matwaychuk, and the purpose of today's intermittent reinforcement email message is to show you how rational emotive behavior therapy can make you impervious to insults. It's inevitable that over the course of your life, someone will say or do something that you find insulting. From the rational emotive behavioral therapy perspective, you have to help the person in order to feel insulted. If you strongly buy into the principle of emotional responsibility and see that you disturb yourself, you will be impervious to insults when someone says something or does something that you find insulting. You can think in a way that allows you to unconditionally accept yourself with the statement that's been made or the gesture that's been made, and choose to also unconditionally accept the other person despite their disrespectful behavior. Rational emotive behavior therapy is a very practical therapy that puts you in the driver's seat of your emotions, and therefore you never have to be insulted because you accept yourself. You do not need respect from another person, and you see that you have choice whenever there is some sort of interpersonal conflict. So I suggest that you closely read today's intermittent reinforcement email message and call it to mind each day. Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic philosopher and emperor of Rome, used to prepare himself each morning for the misbehavior he would encounter later in the day. You too, when you're brushing your teeth, for example, could remind yourself that later in the day you will meet with all sorts of misbehavior and that you do not have to disturb yourself. You do not have to be insulted when other people show you disrespect. By doing this morning meditation of sorts, you prepare yourself so that when later in the day you encounter an insulting gesture or act or statement from another person, you could immediately say to yourself, I've prepared for this. I don't have to feel hurt. I don't have to aid this person in insulting me. I can sidestep the insult. I can choose to do this. I'm prepared for this. I've prepared myself for this, and I unconditionally accept myself. I hope that you rehearse this sort of thinking so that you can live better with the fallible humans you come in contact with. And I would also like to remind you that every Saturday I hold a rational emotive behavioral conversation hour where I take a volunteer and I show them how to apply the philosophy of REBT to their particular problem. I encourage you to attend. It can be a useful way of you too learning this philosophy, and you can learn by watching other people struggle with it. I hope to see you on Saturday. It's at 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. in the UK. That's 4 p.m. in Moscow and 6:30 in India. Thank you for your attention.